Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Disney Plus notifications when a new episode drops or a title you're waiting for or finally arrives? Here is exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone settings, then scroll to the list of apps to find Disney Plus or just directly search for it. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and then tap notifications. After that, make sure the allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alert style below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none. None means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. After that, scroll back to the top of your settings or go ahead and search for focus. Tap on it and after that go through each focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure Disney Plus isn't in the silenced app list under each one. Since Disney Plus releases new episodes and titles on weekly schedule, having these notifications working means you find out the moment something new drops. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Disney Plus, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus mode checked, and that's it. Disney Plus alerts will come through. Subscribe.